To add contacts your kid is allowed to call in the Kids app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open Kids app. Open My Phone app. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Enter your current screen lock or you can use your biometric. Tap the plus icon at the top right. Select the contact. Tap done button. Tap the back key. As you can see, a shortcut to the selected contacts has been added to My Phone app, which means your kid will be able to make a call to that contact while they are using Kids app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.